Polly Parrot
gets coronavirus.
Peppa and her family are visiting
Granny Pig
and
Grandpa Pig.
Granny Pig! Grandpa Pig! Donkey Egg! Papa Egg!
I thought we were going to have a good day when we won the lottery, but when you showed up, I knew that we would not. Well, I never.
We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is?
Dinosaur?
Tell me, do you even have a brain? Dorky McDork Dork.
Come and see.
Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet.
That will be abused.
Peppa, George,
Get out of here, you socially inept hogs.
she's called Polly. Pretty Polly.
Ugly Grandma.
Wow!
I am a clever parrot.
Liar. You're not clever.
Mummy?
Why is Polly Parrot so accurate when it says stuff?
That's what parrots do. I'll show you.
I'm going to give you coronavirus. I didn't ask.
What a sweet little parrot.
Cubby Pig Family.
Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa, George, come on. There's
All the diseases you can imagine.
Coming, Granny!
Peppa and George love
All
eating,
the diseases they can imagine.
but today they are in a hurry to get back and play with Polly Parrot.
Finished!
You have some diarrhea on your faces there.
Granny? Please, can we leave the table?
We need to have a moment with.
Polly Parrot?
Are you sure you've completely finished your cake? Off you go then.
Hooray!
You give her coronavirus right now, mister.
George is a little bit shy.
You will pay for pushing me.
Hello? Hello?
Why do they have seizures every day?
Peppa and George are really enjoying.
Having seizures. Time for coronavirus. Time for coronavirus.
George?
How are you even sitting like that? What was that supposed to be?
Peppa and George
Really need paramedics. I'm not ready for the real world.
Peppa is thinking of something else to say to
Polly Parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot.
You are noisy, but you're actually a pig.
Peppa, George,
This is your third seizure today. Are you okay?
Yes, Granny.
Polly is such a sweet parrot.
Yes, Granny.
I'm a clever parrot.
I'm a noisy parrot! I'm a noisy parrot!
Oh my word!
I feel like having a seizure and coronavirus. Someone call the paramedics, I'm having a seizure.